But what I'm doing today is I'm going to create a video showing how to troubleshoot the process if you're struggling with how to get your live stream to go onto Instagram if you're using Restream. What's been happening to me is it's happening in the moment and I can't fix it as it's happening. And then I'm having a hard time documenting what I need to do. And I know if I am struggling with this, somebody else is struggling with this as well. So I'm going to flip the camera over and show you the screen right now. And then I am actually going to do a live stream. So there'll be 2 videos about this on my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So starting the process off, I've got everything kind of prepped up here inside my Restream window on my laptop, and I do need to open up a second window. Now, typically I like to open that in over here to show you what I'm doing. I'm using a tripod here, so give me just a second. I'll zoom that out. All right, so I've got my Instagram opened up in my dual monitor, so you can see here's my laptop that I'm going to do from the Restream, and here's my dual monitor, just showing the second screen that I have open. I've opened up my Instagram, and now in the left navigation, I'm going to zoom in here. You're going to see the little button that says create. You see that right here? It says create. I'm going to click on that. You can see there's a couple options underneath, one of which says live video. So you need to click on live video, and then in the middle of your screen, it's going to tell you add in a title. So it's kind of grayed out in the box on here. So, okay. And then after you step out of that box, you'll have to click on, it's going to ask you what kind of video do you want to make it. I'm going to make this public, and then you click on next. So you have to do this process first. Let me back this up a little bit, because the next thing is going to happen. Instagram's going to give you this screen with a bunch of weird looking code on here. Now, if I go back to my laptop screen, you're going to notice if I click on Instagram here, if I click on edit, it's going to ask me for my stream key, and there's something that's already input in here. I'm going to go back here and just double check that it's the right one. I'm not sure if Instagram does a unique stream key for each one or if it's the same one, but I'm going to copy it from there, and then I'm going back into here and I'm going to paste it, and I click on save. It looks like everything is set here, and you're going to notice in the dual monitor, let me back this up a little bit, it says connect streaming software to go live. You see that inside the black box? And then on the right hand of the screen, you're going to see it says go live in the upper right hand corner, but it's kind of grayed out in blue, so we can't really do anything with that. So this is the part that can be a little bit tricky and confusing, especially if you're co-hosting a guest. I'm going to keep the video going as I do this next part. I'm going to move my tripod over here, angle it down towards my screen, and then at this point, this is all cleared off. This is a little bit confusing too, because it doesn't appear there's a save button or anything in here. So what do? So you just got to click out into the blue area. Now you can see myself up on the screen here, and then there's a go live button up in the upper corner. Before I do that, I'm going to create portrait orientation. See in the lower corner here, I'm going to go to portrait orientation because I am going to do a portrait style video, and I have prepped an opening video and an outro video in this style as well. So I'm going to upload those real quick. This I should have done beforehand, but you know, maybe there's someone watching this video right now that's like, oh, that's interesting. We'll say processing. That way we can make sure that the Instagram stream is picking up, and you're going to see in a second, it's not instantaneous. It's almost like there's a little bit of a delay, kind of like the same thing that happens when you're watching live TV, and there's a couple seconds delay that they have inside that process. So I like to have the video that smooths it out, and that will also help you when you're doing this live stream here. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the second video. There it goes. There it goes. And I made them different colors intentionally too, because I can see now which one is the intro video and which one's the other one. All right, so now I'm on my regular laptop. I'm going to click on go live. Let me start the video first, and then I'm going to click on go live. There. And it says connecting on the screen. See that? And when it says connecting, then I want you to go over to your other screen, and you click where it says connect streaming software to go live. Sometimes I notice it doesn't happen right away, so I might click once or twice inside here. Okay? And then what I'm waiting for is now that message has gone away, and now I can see go live. That's confusing, isn't it? Okay, so now it's actually live. I'm going to be saying shout out to my folks that are watching right now on Instagram or YouTube. I'm actually doing a behind the scenes. I have my camera on here. I'm doing a behind the scenes because I'm doing some troubleshooting. I've noticed that when I go live using Restream onto Instagram, there's some hiccups that are happening in on the process. And what's typically happening is this is happening in the moment for me. So I have a guest with me on screen and it's happening, and then I get frustrated. I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. So I just shut down the Instagram and I'm going live on LinkedIn and YouTube instead. This up on screen right now, because what I'm doing is actually a video within a video kind of a thing. So I've got my my phone here that I've been videoing myself, just using video, not like a live stream, showing people and documenting the step-by-step process if you're using Restream, how to get your Instagram to go live. Now, in this case, today's video that I'm doing at 11 will be mainly on LinkedIn, but I'm also live streaming it on YouTube, and then I'll be doing a live stream on Instagram. This test video I'm doing on just Instagram and YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, if this was helpful for you, if you're trying to troubleshoot that Instagram hiccup the same way I was, do let me know in comments below. All right, I'll see you soon. So that's it. So this was a behind the scenes how to troubleshoot and get your Instagram live stream working if you're using Restream. And I also gave you some tips within this video about best practices that I picked up for live streaming as well. I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video. You found it helpful. The full video in its entirety is going to be posted only on YouTube because it's going to be a bit longer. So if you're watching this, I would love it if you could drop a comment below and let me know if you found this helpful. And this is Brenda Meller helping you to get a bigger slice of the LinkedIn pie and hopefully helping you with live streaming as well. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.